Welcome to our tour of London. This is our visit to the historic Leadenhall Market in the heart of the city. Welcome to London Visited, where we share with you the views, facts and tips of the great places in London. So wherever you're visiting, have visited or are local, we'll share the world's best capital city with you.
The double height entrance is flanked by tall, narrow gabled red brick and Portland stone blocks in a 17th century Dutch style.
The market dates from the 14th century, established in 1321, and is said to get its name from Leadenhall. The ornate roof structure, painted green, maroon and cream, and cobbled floors of the current structure, designed in 1881 by Sir Horace Jones, made Leadenhall Market a tourist attraction.
By 1321, the area around Leadenhall Manor is known as a meeting place for poulterers. They are joined in 1397 by cheesemongers. Among the vendors of those cheesemongers are also butchers and florists. Originally a meat and game and poultry market, it stands on what was then the centre of Roman London.
This is the Lloyd's of London building, famous worldwide for insurance. The amazing thing about London is how you have new and old side by side.
In 1408, the former Lord Mayor Richard Dick Whittington bought the lease of the building and the site. In 1488, it is decided that leather is sold only from Leadenhall Market. A number of commercial retailers are also located in the market, including clothes shops. By 2000, Leadenhall Market evolved into one of the city's 5 principal shopping centres.
As you can see, in the architecture there are a number of silver dragons. You can see how many you can spot when you go and visit.
Part of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, the first film in the blockbuster series, was filmed in Leadenhall in 2000. The market was used to represent the area of London leading to the popular Wizarding Well pub, the Leaky Cauldron, and the magical shopping street, Diagon Alley.
There is lots of beautiful decoration all around you, up high in unexpected places.
What did you like about Leadenhall Market in this video? Put it in the comments below, and also where you'd like us to film in London so we can share with everyone your favourite London places. you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next week. Bye!